My name is Mary Kathleen A. Puyong, so I will report adverb clause. Adverb clause is a dependent clause that modify a verb, adjective, or an adverb. It tells when, where, how, way, to what extent, or under what conjunction an adverb clause begins with a subordinating conjunction. Adverb clause is in the first example about the adverb clause, answer the question why and function as the modifier of adjective happy. Similar, the second example, sentence adverb clause can came at the beginning of the sentence, at the middle, or the end. When it comes before the main clause, it has to be separated with comma. Adverb clause, also known as an adverbial clause, a group of the words that acts as an adverb and modify the main clause of a sentence. First example. Before you get to close at people, you have to know them first. Second, before you can travel, we save money first. Third, because I passed the test, was satisfied. Before you say something, think first. When the adverb clause are placed in the middle, they interrupt the main. This an adverb clause at the middle should be affected at the comma to fully make sense. Example, my friend, when she is sleeping, snore a lot. He decided after the things truly to let go. Jenna, when she is just upset in silence the whole day. Antidote, they are small, cold, live, big baits. Carlo, because she was the accused greatest the whole day. At the end of the sentence, they do not need a punctuation. So, what is punctuation? Punctuation is the use mark and space in writing to clarify meaning, separate sentence, and organize. For example, they studied 4 hours before they took the test. Second, I need know that I could love so much until I met you. Third, there are always the rainbow after the rain. Fourth, we can be friends as long as you want. Fifth, we can never friends unless you know me better. Like adverbs, adverb clauses also function for a reason, condition, contrast, time, and place. First example of adverb clause of reason. She danced well, so I was here in our team. Second, she wasn't able to perform and she has had injuries. Third, because she practiced the whole day, she was excused at night. Fourth, since you are the leader, since you are the leader, you have to act like the one. Example of adverb clause of condition. Useless, the travel costs much. We will push through the plan. Second, they will go out. They will go out if the rain stops. Example of adverb clause of contrast. First, leader lead while bases intimidate. Second, she get the job although she's not deserve it. Third, even though she's tall, she is not very appealing. Fourth, while she was upset, she was celebrating. Example for adverb clause of time. During his term, the president made a lot of change. Second, he made a lot of promises when she was campaigning. Third, he will leave as soon as arrives. Fourth, I will be watching over you before I need to leave. So, example for adverb clause and place. Wherever I go, I am with you. Actresses are recognized whatever they may be in this country. So proceed the noun clause. Proceed a noun clause. What is a noun clause? A noun clause is a subordinate clause that is used a noun when the main clause of the sentence. Noun clause when we use a subject or direct or indirect object and complement. So, a noun clause is the type of dependent clause that functions as a noun. As a dependent clause, it contains the subject and verb but cannot stand alone as a sentence. Noun clause typically begin relative pronouns which, that, who. There are example four noun clause. Example for noun clause as adjective. Whatever win the election will get the set. Second, what I like a relaxing message. Third, what makes me loud is a good joke. Fourth, that she like a chocolate is obvious. Example for noun clause as an adjective. As example for noun clause as an object. First, you can see that she liked the chocolate. Second, some actors will do whatever it takes to get noticed. Third, I don't get why you consider that assuming. Fourth, the politician will give the whatever asked for him the interview. The last example of noun clause as a complement. First, she is obvious that louder involves emotion. Second, that is why we include you in the list. Third, I believe that people change in time. And I thank you. That's all.